The wild elephants may look tame here, but they're not always gentle giants. In fact, their tremendous strength has been the cause of severe conflict with humans.
Saya ada 10 ekar. Dalam 10 ekar tu ada 2,000 pokok. Jadi dimusnahkan oleh gajah dia lah. Satu tahun 2 kali korek lubang. Tinggal ada ingat dalam 70 pokoknya.
Over the past 5 decades, rapid land development has significantly shrunk the forests in peninsular Malaysia. With less living space and food supply in the peninsula, the vulnerable herbivore became a menace.
Takut juga. Siapa tak takut? Dia badan besar, kita badan kecil. Kalau gajah masuk, kami cuba menghalau dia lah. Menghalau, tapi tak sanggup menghalau. Kan? Kadang-kadang 13 ekor. Benda ni kita nak halang daripada penceroboh dia lah. Binatang buas dia. Datang balik hambat pada yang si buang tadi lah.
To keep the elephants at bay, the Wildlife and National Parks Department installed 12 kilometers of electric fencing around the resettlement area. Dr. Ahimsa Campos Arthaith has been studying Asian elephants for 11 years. His team was tasked to study the impact of translocating wild elephants.
We need to be realistic, not be naive. And our aspiration should not be to eradicate the conflict, but mitigate it to tolerable levels.
Working closely with Wildlife Reserves Singapore, MEAN is a 5-year research project which helps to improve conservation and management practices.
So we cannot mitigate the conflict just by moving elephants away, because eventually we will get rid of elephants, and that's not what we want. When you have an elephant, a bull, that is very, very aggressive, or when you have a family that becomes isolated in the middle of a tiny forest patch and there is no way for them to connect with a bigger population, so in that case, translocation plays a role. Otherwise, we need to minimize the use of translocation.
While human intervention can give the elephants a lifeline, human greed has endangered them.
To see such an animal killed just for ivory, and just to do some carving of something that is completely unnecessary, we need to make this unacceptable socially. So then, we shouldn't accept that our relatives or friends do consume ivory or the wildlife products, because it is having a big impact in ecology as well as in people.